on, Harry Hines, freaking making my money.
What up, babies?
My stop loss is where it's going. 6-7.
How'd y'all do today?
Oh, kill it. It was fun. It was a fun day.
Good, did good. How about you?
Heck yeah. Oh man, smashed it. Freaking smashed it today.
Nice. I think you did the opposite of we did. We broke it up from what was it, like 12:30 to 7 a.m.
Oh, nice. Nice.
RTP was EQ.
Nice.
Point, $1,700 on 4 micros. And then I heard you wrote it. You had like a sell order there or something.
Yeah, I
You
took
bought, you bought the micros I dropped off.
it. Exactly. Yeah. Whenever you guys got out, I jumped in.
Oh, like not a buy, right? You
What?
sold.
Yeah. I
yeah.
sold. Yeah.
We both sold, I guess. Yeah, never mind. You didn't pick them up. You sold some more. I
Yeah.
should have sold double the amount.
Yeah. Yeah.
That would have been a real good trade.
Yeah. It was
All right, man. It just hit the weekly pivot for $141.
nice. Way to
There
go,
you go.
bud. Oh man, look at that pump. I wasn't even paying attention to what was going on. Nice.
I just said it was gonna hit 670 because all those resting orders up at the top in the middle of that orb. They're gonna go up there and retest the New York orb and probably retest that old EQ, the high.
That's pretty good rejection off the weekly pivot buy.
Oh heck yeah, Aaron. Thanks for jumping in, bud. Thanks for all the likes and everything. Appreciate you, bud.
80, and then just run to the EQ.
Can you hear the music all right? Or is
We
it
could go to Asia.
not loud enough?
So like, let's see. I think 50% is the London orb on that giant drop. Pull it. So the 50% is all like the top of the London orb of the night before.
Way to go, bud. Way to go. Let's see. What did gold do? Oh, man. Did you hold it through the day? Oh, man. I hope you held it through the day. Look at that.
I wouldn't see why it wouldn't go up there.
Did you really hold that, Aaron? That is freaking amazing if you held that.
800 and 900, looks like fair game. But we'll see. We gotta break the high of the day first. But yeah, targeting the high would be. Ooh, look at that rejection.
It's so far up right now.
Grabbed all those stop losses at like 650.
Look at that rejection. What did we hit right there?
Very, very violent.
We hit something that it did not like. Yes, did the same thing. Yes, hit. Ooh, yes, hit.
Decent for Asia.
Ivy high and rejected.
Yeah, right now, or actually pre-Asia, anything over 600 is good. So, and we're at 822.
I'm worried we're just gonna have a range night, because we haven't had a range day.
10 a.m. You caught the pump there. 8 p.m. till 9 a.m. That's the groove. Nice. Set it and went to bed with Outlaw. Nice. You went to bed with Outlaw.
So it was a range last night. Like,
Now, ain't we? Now we're more than a little more now.
Kind of sticks in this like kind of an upward trend that's like. See how wide this
Let's
is.
see. You got 2 viewers right now. Nice.
133.75 points.
Who is the
You
other
know, a 300
viewer?
wide upward move.
133. not bad. It can bounce up and down all day. Thing is, right now we're just gonna go back up. Am I getting too cocky now?
Yeah, I knew what you meant. I got you. I got you, bud.
Don't get chili bowl.
I'm sitting in here with the Texas group on Discord, so
Don't forget the stop loss either. Shit, I don't need to get Waldo. Right now, the RSI is my friend.
man, I need some views. I need some viewers.
It hooks. It should hook hard. Oh, there you go.
Oh, Brad, I'm not sold on the hook yet.
Here we go. He said he'll be on at 8. Here we go.
Here we go's coming in, huh?
Yeah. He said he'll be here at 8 today. I said, all right, man. We'll be there waiting for you.
I'm muted on Discord though right now. They're not listening to me, or they can't hear me. So I don't know, they're thinking it's gonna pump right here, but I don't know. I think it can come down a little bit more because we haven't had an actual pullback yet. I don't know. I had little pullbacks, but not like one that I would want to see. Let's check that 5 minute out, Aaron. What's that 5 minute looking like?
Order filled. Stop filled.
Somebody just jumped in and jumped out.
Hey, I'm a little gunshot in that.
That rejection up there.
You have to do something.
Yeah, yeah. That trade was freaking amazing. Yeah, it was really, really good. My entry was terrible. I think I had some slippage or something because I didn't get in till 7-11, but I wanted like 20 or 25. I really wanted 20 because that's when it broke that body.
Huh?
Why not make it a dollar?
Because I
Alright.
set my ATM at $1, $1. Hit a button. It doesn't matter. I just need it past the
Yeah, but I got in at 7-11 right here. And I wanted it right here though. This is the one that I wanted, but I didn't get it till here. And my stop was just above all this, so it wasn't too bad of a trade. And my target
No. I'm just saying.
was all the way down here.
I didn't know what you had actually done. I thought you set it for $1 loss. I said, well, instead of making it for $1 loss, why not over $1
It
win?
was a beautiful trade. I think I ended up taking
I didn't understand the concept. That's why.
200 and
I don't think anyone enters a trade with go, you know what? Today I just want to lose money.
yeah, it was
That's what I did
a
last night.
pretty badass trade.
Hey, sometimes it seems like if I do.
Yeah, I don't know what it was. There was a little bit of slippage though, for sure. But I was on my phone too. I was on my phone trading on TradingView, so that could have been where the slippage was. Plus, you know, I always hit market. I'm gonna mute these guys. That way I'm not having a bunch of talk in YouTube as well. But yeah, I hit market, so usually, I mean, you're gonna get filled wherever you can get filled, but I couldn't believe it was like 9 points slippage. I don't think the spread was that big at the time. I mean, it could have been, but I don't think it was that big. That's the bad thing about hitting market, but I'm just not a pickup guy, you know, like Tara. Tara is the pickup girl. She can do those pretty good pickups. I can't. So, Bama guy, what up, Bama? How are you, man? I haven't seen you in a while. Thanks for popping in, brother. Thank you for popping in. Yeah, like and subscribe for sure, guys. Like and subscribe. We'll talk about were you in the Discord today, Bama? I wish I could see who was in here. I'm kind of new at streaming on YouTube like this. I can't. Let's see. Busy. Yeah, yeah, you're still pretty busy, aren't you? Man, I caught a monster trade. I don't know if you saw it on the TikTok, but so I caught this trade right here. Let's see, 7-11. We'll just say right there. Yeah, cut the full ride down, got out about right there, almost caught 300 points. Was a monster trade. Very nice trade. I could have held it for longer, but can't be greedy. Can't be greedy. Yeah. I remember it was about a month or two ago. He said he was going to be really busy. So, oh man, we're up to 5 viewers. Welcome in, everybody. I wish I could see. Throw a comment so I could see your name, because I don't see my viewer list. So, I don't know how to put that up there yet. I'm still pretty new, so. Everyone, can you explain why my entry? So, okay, yeah, let's go over it. So I use a fib for the overnight session, right? It's a certain time frame, or not time period, I guess. So I just take the high and the low. I have certain fib levels that I like to use. They're custom fib levels. So we had the overnight happen, and we swept the overnight, which I like the sweeps. So when we got up here, as soon as we swept, I start looking for a potential reversal. So I've got a level right here that I watch. It's called equilibrium, or baseline, I kind of like to call it. That's kind of like where I base my trades off of. So we rejected right here at the baseline once. We came to my 236 level, rejected it, made a lower high right here, pushed back down, and then made another actual lower high from this one. So then I started looking for an entry. When it started to break down and we started to break below here, I took the entry with my stop loss just above here. So I only trade one contract, so I don't risk a lot. And I look for the bigger, longer plays, if that makes sense. But that's what my entry was. So it was actually right here. I wanted the entry right here on this body close, this candle here at 927. That was supposed to be my entry, but I was trading on my phone on TradingView, and there was some slippage there when I hit enter on the trade. So yeah, but that was my entry. That was my setup, and my target was all the way down here. So I actually got further than that. But yeah, this was my target. Yep, no problem, RB1. Thank you for asking, man. MW here tapping in green for TBT all night. Nice. Let's freaking go. Yeah, thank you guys for stopping in. Man, we're up to 6 viewers. Heck yeah, yeah. You guys like and subscribe, man. I like talking about the market and trying to learn more about it. So we have a great Discord that we're a part of. It used to be free, but the guy who owns the Discord, he started charging after the first 1,000 people were joined in. So pretty soon, if anybody's interested in that, stick around anytime I go live, and I'm gonna get the link for that in my profile somewhere. So, but yeah, we got a great Discord community. You know, I'm not going to say we're all seasoned traders or anything like that. Most of us are all pretty new, trying to learn and help each other out. So, but that's what the community is really all about. You know, you see these guys on YouTube and TikTok and all these traders showing these big trades and showing thousands and thousands of dollars. And man, I trade one contract on one micro because you know, I want to protect the account that I have, so I don't want to risk that much. And I look for I at least look for 100 points in the trades. What I really want to see. If I can get 200 ticks, I'm happy with that. But I usually try to look for that 100 points, because yeah, that's a good trade. That's a really good trade. And you know, people always say, "Oh, but if you just scale up with that 100 points, yeah, but you're risking more." You know, yeah, my stop losses, I can give that trade a lot of room to breathe, and you know, I'm only risking maybe $50. You know, or even $100 if I want to give it a you know, a 50-point stop loss. So that's kind of what this Discord was all about, was talking about like your risk management and you know, teaching you, well, I say teaching you, not teaching you, kind of showing you how to conserve your account if you're doing prop firms. Even like if you do a small live account too, you know, it's a really smart way to trade. So but yeah, after that I took so early in the night, I took the short for 100 points. No, wait, I did not. Wait, yeah, I did. I took the short for 100 points. It pushed up, and this was before this. So another fib that I use, I like watching the 200 EMA and the 50. I throw this one up here. This is the 1,000 EMA because it's pretty close to the 5-minute 200. So I like kind of having that up there as a reference too, just to kind of watch it. But yeah, when overnight happened, I have another fib that I like to use. It's the fib from 9:30 to 10:30, just the initial balance fib. So the initial balance from the previous day, I like to use it to trade overnight. So let's see, let's go to 10:30 was right there. So it's going to be from here to here. So that's the fib that I used to trade early in the night. So wait, was this? Yeah, this was Tuesday. So we pushed up right here. We rejected off of one of my 786 levels, and then we pushed down below. Whenever it was consolidating right here, and it finally broke below and closed, I took the trade and stayed in it for 100 points. Just took the profit because I have to get to bed kind of early sometimes. So yeah, but that was the first trade. So cut over 400 points almost. That was about 370 for the day. And yeah, it was a really good day, especially in New York. It was a fun trade. Really fun trade. Oh, we got some more people popping in the Discord. lost 2 viewers. We're down to 4. You guys engage with me in the chat, let's talk. That way I don't know if it's still the same ones, RB, Bama, Aaron, and Noisy. Is it still you guys watching, or do we have somebody new? Do you set your EMA chart on a spec time regardless on what you chart on? I really mainly only trade the MNQ. I do look at gold and MES. I use MES on as Confluence, and I watch SPX during the morning as well, just to kind of get Confluence on what was going on with MNQ. So like yesterday, so when I was already in the trade, but whenever SPX really started to break down right here, I had a lot of confidence that we were going to push low and hard and fast on MNQ. Don't ask me why. I don't really know. I just have. It's just the way I was kind of watching it, so I really can't explain it. But yeah, I felt like we could have tried to fill that daily area, that opening gap, but SPX ended up finding support and pushed up. It actually found support on its equilibrium right here, or the baseline, whatever you want to call it. Heck yeah. I think it's just you and Bama right now, Aaron. We're down to 2 concurrent viewers, I guess. But yeah, I appreciate anybody that stops by and says hi, especially for the likes and subscribes. Really appreciate it. Can you all hear the music in the background? I don't know if you can hear it. Just turned it up. Hopefully it's not too loud. Welcome in, guys. Welcome in. We got 2 new viewers. I wish I could see who was in here, but I can't engage with the audience. I'm still learning about the live on YouTube, so. But I can open the studio. Maybe that'll show me who's in here. No. I can't see you guys. I wish I could see you guys. I can only see you if you chat. So I know Aaron and Bama are still in here. So who do we got? Who do we got in the view now? Thanks for the hearts and the hundreds. Yeah, if you're new here, man, if you're new to my YouTube, give me a like and subscribe. Heck, if you trade MNQ, give me a like and subscribe. I'm gonna try to start doing these lives a little more. I've been real busy these last couple weeks with a new job, so. See, Incognito's looking for a short, so my volume keeps going in and out. I guess it's time for a new phone. Yeah. Question is YouTube the place for this kind of stream? Why not the other purple one? Not sure if I can actually say it here. I don't think they care, what you say. Are you talking about Twitch? I have traded on Twitch before. I like YouTube because I'm not really big on TikTok. I don't know how to operate it all that well. I could probably reach more if I was out on TikTok more, but I don't really care for the live. They monitor you way too much. You have to keep your screen busy. I mean, I think all YouTube really cares about is if you know how many likes you can get and how many subscribers you can get. So yeah, they still want you to get a lot of subscribers to push you out into the algorithm, the YouTube world. So that's why I'm like, I'd rather try to build my YouTube up. I know, yeah. TikTok, yeah, it gets kind of annoying at times with TikTok. Plus, I like YouTube better. YouTube's the one of the first video things that I started using. So, if it's not the first, I can't remember. There was another one that was out around. I think there was something that was. It was called something else before YouTube. I can't remember. But yeah, I like YouTube. YouTube is, to me, it's just better. And plus, if you can get started on YouTube and get out there, I think you've done a really good job. So, man, we still really haven't gotten a pullback. I wonder if this thing is going to turn down. Incognito is thinking short. We've turned down on the 5 minute. Man, that kind of... I would like a short down to equilibrium, but I don't know if it's going to get there or not. We swept this high here. Are we pushing to sweep New York high and try to reach that equilibrium up there from yesterday? It's a good question. Back when they had an app for streaming gameplay and they got lazy. Yeah, I used to. If you go through my my old videos on YouTube, I've got a lot of games that I streamed from PlayStation back in the day. So it's not because I'm copy trading incognito. Yeah. I would like the short. I'm overall bullish right now, just because we're above the baseline for me, and we're above the settlement price as well. So yeah, I'm overall bullish, and I would like to see a pullback for this move here. I need to turn my fib on. All right, so I know I got Aaron and Bama. Who are the other two in chat with me? Throw me a comment out there so I can see who's with me. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask away. I'm an open book. If you want to hear me talk about the trade I took today, if anybody that's new in here, I'll talk about that. But right now, I mean, it's going to be kind of boring because I try to be really, really patient. That's kind of the key in trading is patience. You used to not be that way. I used to try to take every trade I could see. But RB1, all right, first time viewing you, good stuff. New to Discord is, oh, you're in the Discord, sweet, nice. Just how I came across you here, nice, heck yeah. I appreciate you stopping in. Yeah, gotta go for now. Looking to catch up with you here in the future. All right, RB1, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for the like and the follow, or the like and the subscribe. I really appreciate it. Trade safe and stay green. It's just me, you, Aaron, and RB1 Pro. Ew, does it count me? It says I've got 4 viewers, so I didn't know if it counted me or not. I like how it's getting weak right here at this fib line. Okay. Yeah, I didn't know if it counted me as a viewer, so. Yeah, I need to figure. I'm gonna have to get more content on here. I think Melting Wizard is the fourth. Oh, I wonder if he is. He's not in the Discord. I don't see. Should I post it? My link in the other one, Aaron, and see if anybody wants to join me. I miss Cece. I miss Cece. Oh, I wish Cece would join me. I think Tara's busy right now, so. Yeah, okay, I'll post it. Let's see. I'll post it. I'll just post it in general. Oops. That's not what I want to post. Oh, we got another viewer. Welcome, man. Welcome, man. Say something in the chat so I can see who's with us. We got somebody new with us. Oh, that's right. Man, I cannot believe school's starting already. It's crazy to think that summer is over. Well, it's not over according to the weather, but yeah. I'm gonna add everyone, Aaron. Oh, I can't. Oh, wait, yeah, I can. Yeah, these overnight sessions are always going to be kind of boring because is that Luca? What's Luca doing in score? No, that's not Luca. Oh yeah, it is Melting Wizard. Melting Wizard is up there. I see he's the number 2 fan. Nice. Get chipped these days. I know. Yeah. Well, they spend most of their time inside anyway. Yeah, it's not like they go outside and do much anymore. They're in here watching people like me trade or playing video games. That's me now. I would rather be inside instead of outside having to do something. Because outside it's hot. But I think what I'm going to try to do is just do a bunch of pictures on, like what I did today on my TikTok. So, because I hate going live on TikTok. Just I don't know. I don't like it. They're too bleh. Whatever. I need more cowbell. Okay, I'm going to turn the volume down a little bit here and then turn it up here. Now, how about right there, Aaron? Is that pretty good? I don't want it overpowering everything, so. Are you talking about on the mic? The music or the mic, Aaron? I think I'm just going to get out of Discord here. I don't have a lot of people incognitos in here. Man, I've been into this like synthwave kick right now. I don't know, it's something about it really, I like it to trade with because it's kind of calming, kind of soothing. Yeah, soothing. I don't know, something about it I just like. I like to trade with it. It's better than like the real slow stuff because I need something kind of upbeat. So. I'm gonna push this out on Facebook real quick. Mariah! It just governmented you. Oh man. Welcome in, Mariah. Welcome in. Hopefully that pushes me out a little bit more. Mariah, give me a like and a sub. Give me a like and a sub. I need the subscribers and the likes. Oh, I need a little bit more. I need just to start breaking down here. I'm looking for a short. I want some kind of entry, maybe just a quick 50 points down to 600. 578 would be even better, but yeah, maybe just down to the 200. I'd like to see a really good 200 test here from the 50. Right now, if I went in, I could have a 35-point stop loss. Wouldn't be too terrible. But I don't know if we want to come back up here and test this. But we're staying under 655 right now. So I like that is holding. But I haven't seen something to tell me to go short yet. I just... you already sound good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Ooh. Dang it. I got something I gotta do, but I'm seeing a little bit of possibility here, so. Man, we are holding that 655 area. What did we do? We got anything? So we're right into that fair value gap again. We actually, well, we didn't close it, but we are rejecting hard in it. So a short back to equilibrium would be freaking amazing. Tara! She said go short now. I'm thinking about it. That's what I'm looking at right now. I'm looking at a short. I just need a little bit more. I need a little bit more. I don't know. If I took it now, my stop loss could be 35 points. I don't know. It's not looking good enough for me at the moment. It's not looking good enough for me at the moment. But it is stalling out. I think it's going to pop one more time. I just feel like it's going to pop one more time and act like it's going to test this candle up here, and then I know you was just joking, girl. I know you was just joking. But I am looking at a short. Like it's not going to be a very long short, a long short or a short long. But yeah, let's take a look at the 1 hour. What is the 1 hour doing? So, man, that was so beautiful, guys. I freaking caught that. Oh, that was so gorgeous. It was so gorgeous. Miss Mallory. Let's get this naked chart going, because we need to look at some of this stuff that's been going on. So the 1 hour, we've got a major support level right here. I think is right there. We've got a lot of wicks and a lot of body closes right all in that area. Guess what area that is, Tara? That is our settlement price. I wonder if I could ride that to the settlement price. Trying to get some more people on here. I'm sending out some yeah, can you type? We are in the ID the ID of the 15-minute fair value gap. Yep. Oh yeah. And we almost closed it, but we couldn't. So, yeah. I was looking at that just a minute ago. We keep rejecting right in this fair value gap. I think this is a new 15-minute candle though, so it's 5-minute looking like. What about 3? Man, it's just like really rangy right now. We gotta break. We gotta break out. We gotta break out. Miss Mallory! There she is. I see her. I see her. This doesn't sound like synthwave. It sounds like something like jazzy, funky. Yeah, thank you so much, Mallory, for jumping in. I appreciate it. I need all the subs and viewers I can get. I don't even care if you guys watch me. We're doing good. I'm waiting on the call. Yep. That's what trading always feels like. Waiting. Oh, you're on on hold. I got you. Elevator music. Oh my gosh. BLT sounds so good right now. I am hungry too. Yeah, like a bonus level in the Mario game. I love it. All right. So now that I got some of you guys here, Mallory. Wait, no, we did talk about it. Mariah, we didn't. I don't think you were there though. So I want to talk about the trade that I took this morning and why I took it. So you guys know I like the fibs. So one of the fibs that I use is this one right here. Front and center. Man, you know, Pizza Hut stuffed crust pizza used to be like so good, and then Pizza Hut changed something, and I haven't liked their pizza in a long time. But man, when they first come out with that stuffed crust pizza, that was nice. Man, it sounds like some Kenny G. All right, so I'm gonna go back to the 5-minute because that's kind of what I was looking at the moment. But I got some major slippage on the 5-minute. But I was trading on MNQ, so. Hey, Little Caesars is like good for the price. Like that is some good stuff. Like and their crazy sauce is crazy. So I wanted the entry on the break of this body right here. So when this candle started to break is when I tried to enter, but it slipped me, and it slipped me quite a bit. Like this was like right there was my entry. So it was almost 10 points that it slipped me. Stop loss was just above here, so I had a 50-point stop loss. And because we were so high up, I had a really good deep target because we'd already swept overnight highs. So I was looking for that monster just dump down, and we got it, man, we got it, and it was such a sweet play. But yeah, the reason I took the trade was because of this right here. We swept overnight highs. We pushed up to equilibrium right here. Rejected from equilibrium, pushed back up, rejected again from it, and as soon as that rejection happened here is when I entered the trade. But yeah, my stop loss should have been right here at about 520 or 720. I saved money on cheese costs by cutting back the amount no longer, and no one noticed. And their pizza's like, yeah, it's crazy. I'd rather go order from Domino's than Pizza Hut, because at least Domino's pizza is good, and Domino's has pretty decent deals sometimes. But to me, nothing beats a Red Baron's pizza. Nothing beats the Red Baron. Yeah, 100% good and reasonable. Yeah. All using, I know this crap looks like a light show or a Christmas tree or whatever you want to call it. Somebody called it a Christmas tree at one time. But I don't know why. Maybe because of all the colors. I don't know. Whatever. But it was just all based on the levels. This was a complete, nothing but true level trade. I wasn't basing it on anything for an entry model except for the rejection from the equilibrium. Oh, I haven't tried a stuffed crust Red Baron, but like their regular crust and their they've got a couple, like every Red Baron to me is like great. I haven't found a Red Baron that I haven't liked. There's just something about Red Baron. It's so good. Alright. Anyway, that was the trade for me. As long as you know how your chart on me busy chart. Yeah. I think I could do pretty good, with no EMAs and just trading the levels, as long as I kept the stochastic up there. The stochastic and the levels, I think I could probably trade pretty good. I like having the EMAs for that extra confluence. But I don't know. I like the fibs. I'm a fib guy. I'm a levels guy now. There we go. Now we're starting to get some movement. Let's see. This will be the first time we break under the 50. You know what? Let's do it. Let's do it. We've been sitting here for a while. Let's take a trade, guys. Let's take a trade. Let's take a trade. We'll give it a shot. See what happens. Make sure I'm on the right. I'm gonna miss this thing because I didn't have everything set up already and ready to go. What is that? 30 points? Yeah, I'll risk 30 points. Let's see. We'll see. We'll see if we can take it to equilibrium. It'll be a little less than 100 points, but that's fine. What's the 3 minute doing? 3 minute looks really good. Now we just need continuation. 2 minute looks good. 1 minute probably looks really good. A 1 minute 3 bar would be nice right here, but it's not going to reject in time. Still could though. Still could. Alright, we're finally in a trade. We're going to manage it and see what happens. Aaron said chef's. Ooh, sounds nice. You know what? A chef salad does sound really nice. Oh, and some Hawaiian style pizza. Man, what, Tara, was that me and you talking about that the other day? Pineapple. Ooh, I've got pineapple in the fridge. Pineapple doesn't belong on a pizza. Man, there's just something about it. So think about this. If you eat a pineapple pizza You have every food group on that pizza. Let's see, how many food groups are there? You've got dairy, you've got grains, you've got meats. What's the other ones? You've got fruits, you got vegetables, barbecue chicken pizza. Yeah. So, yeah, the Hawaiian pizza has all 5 food groups on that pizza. And you know, they always told us in the old days, make sure you eat all your food groups. You know what? I'll do that. I'll throw my stop loss up higher, and I'll if we come back up here, I'll double down on some contracts. These women's pregnant. I love bacon and extra pineapple pizza. Heck yeah. Yeah, the barbecue chicken. My wife loves the Alfredo chicken. Alfredo chicken pizza. Yeah, she loves that stuff. Alright, so we're actually, man, I should have waited to enter this, but the 5-minute looks so good. We got a nice little double top right here. We got, you know, that little guy, don't worry about that little guy. That's just the wick out, so. It's the 15 looking like. Oh, if we can get a break on the Stoke on the 15, this would be really, really snazzy. I hope I've got a big enough stop loss, because it'd be right there. We'll see how this is going to play out. We've got a really, really big fair value gap to come test, so if we can get into this fair value gap, I'll start to really look at the trade. Like, oh, it's going to be right at the rally to the midpoint of that fair value gap. Nice. Nice. I think we can get this to the rally for sure. I think we can get it to the rally. Thank you guys so much for the likes and the hundreds and all the smiley faces. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much. Alright, I gotta be right back. I gotta go grab a piece of pineapple real quick. Don't go anywhere. We'll return after these messages. Holy cow. Holy cow. We're up, baby. I just stepped away for a minute. I don't know. I was grabbing some laundry real quick. Because my wife asked me to put some laundry in the holy cow, yeah. Not a bad entry, guys. Not a bad entry. We got our confirmation candle right here. I don't know if this thing's gonna push much further down, but I mean, this was a good entry, good trade. Oh, I didn't see your chat, Aaron. I wasn't even thinking about Tokyo. Yeah, I was not thinking at all. Crap. What's the 15 doing? We need the 15 to, if the 15 wicks out here, man, that's gonna be crappy though. Oh, that 5 minutes gonna screw me if it closes above the rally. Yeah, if we get a close above the rally, I might have to just take this trade. Still got 30 seconds in that candle. Trading. You're not trading tonight. Okay, so we got the close below the rally. Let's see if the rally holds here. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Come on, we got to break below 610. Let's see the 581 tap. Come on. This could be the shift. This could be the shift. That's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping that we actually get the shift here with Tokyo. So what's the 3 minute looking like? 3 minute looks like it's 5 minute could push down a little bit more. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see. Yeah. We'll just sit here. We'll sit in the trade and watch it. Yeah. So the bad thing is, like right now, so for the overall move, if you look at the 5 minute, this was the big push up. So we got into that 50% retracement. So, I mean, and overall I'm bullish. Like I'm overall bullish. Well, hey there, Mr. Dumperson. So I'm kind of bullish overall. But I wanted this short because I like the short because I think it could come down a little bit further. I don't think it comes all the way down to equilibrium, depending on where the actual structure is. I mean, it could. If this is structure right here. Because on the 5 minute, this is the last time we were bottomed on the Stokes. So I will probably look to get out of this trade here pretty soon, because on the 5 minute it's still very, very bullish. So yeah. So I'm gonna take this at 200 ticks. That's $100. Come on, give me just a bit more. Give me just a bit more. Come on, just a bit more. Just a bit more. Problem is, I don't want to get greedy right here, but there we go, there we go. There we go, there we go. Alright, dropping it. Deep in profit. No matter what, we've secured this trade, $100. So perfect tap of the 5 minute 200. Perfect tap of the 5 minute 200 right there. Like beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Now let's see if it's gonna break. I think it pushes back right here. I really do. Like this one should take me out. Like I wouldn't be like, I would be super surprised. Yeah. Okay. Cool. Good trade. Good trade. Beautiful, beautiful trade. There's still room for continuation overall, but that was a counter trend trade because I'm overall bullish. So, but it was a good trade. It was a good trade. We're right at the 50 on the 15, and that rally target is looking pretty rad. So if this is structure, we just had a 50% retracement. 15 minute looks like it's got room to go further though, but so the way you guys read this stoke, you look for like the structure and stuff on higher time frames. You look for the last time, because we haven't been oversold, so none of this on the 15 minute really counts. It could, but the way I look at it on the stochastic, it doesn't for me. We were oversold right here, so this swing right here is the structure. So from this oversold point to this overbought point, so from here to here is the 15 minute structure. So I think the 15 minute does have more room to come down if it wants to, but I think it's going to be more of a play on the 5 minute. I like because I'm overall bullish, we're above equilibrium. I like the 5 minute long better, and I could be wrong. This thing could stay oversold on the 5 minute for the next 4 candles, which would be 20 minutes. So, and if it does that, you know, we could definitely start dipping into that deeper zone on the 15 minute. So took 200 ticks on that. It's a really, really good trade. Good start for the night for sure. Good start for the night. Yeah, good start for the night. I need to go get a trim, guys. My beard is like woolly right now, and it is hot. So that's why patience is like the key in trading. See, do we have any new? No, it's just you guys. It's my besties. It's just my besties. You guys are awesome sticking with me. Okay, you haven't updated them? Okay. Yeah, I put them out there for you, Mariah, so you should be able to Mallory, I just read your DM. That would be amazing. Yeah, because like I'm terrible at this. I like doing the live stuff, but like when it comes to like all the editing and stuff like that, I don't know what I'm doing. I just like going live and trying and hopefully getting more people. Hey, we got another person in. Say hi in the chat so I can see who you are, because I can't see who it is. But we're up to 6 viewers, 15 views. Oh, they left. No. That's fine. That's fine. Oh, you know what I want to hear? I want to hear something good for the short. Something soft, something good. And I'm hoping that like next week we can do the pick me up show. Like we could do the Discord, because where me and Tara are hitting it on both sides, TikTok and YouTube. So let's see. There we go. Nope. So it looks like the 5 minute 5 minutes fib might be the play. Dun, dun, dun. Hey, we got another viewer in. Welcome in. I don't know. I can't see who you are, so say something in the chat so I can see who's with us. Margin for you. Everything you want. Cause why? Cause that's just who I am, right? Next to the mausoleum. But you're just a line in a song. Drop a heart, break a name. Always sleeping in, sleeping for a long time. Cause what? Ain't nerdy around. Sugar, we're going down swinging. Be number one with a bullet. A load of gun complex, cock it and pull it. Let's take a look at gold. Let's take a look at gold. See what gold's doing. A load of God complex, cock it and pull it. Oh. It says I got 6 viewers. I can't. Oh, no. Oops. Crap. From the closet. How do I open the chat back up? I just. I accidentally. Controls. Settings. Nope. I might have messed up. Sleeping for the wrong team. We're going down. Oh, the long was gorgeous. Right off of the 1000 EMA. Of course, this is going to be an interesting point right here, guys. So on the 1 minute, we have just got way overbought. So the last time we were overbought on the Stoke was up here. So it's got me wondering if this is showing weakness and the short could still play out, or we could pump even higher. We could stay overbought for a little while right here, but right now the long is looking good. If we break back to, got to break over that 65 area. So really good 5 minute fib play right there, right off of the 50. I actually thought about taking it, but I didn't want to take it just because I just gotten out of the trade. So, taking load of God complex. I gotta figure out how to get the chat window back up here so I can see the chat. Down. I'm gonna have to chat GPT this because. Cock and pull it in. Cock and pull it in. Alright, I'm gonna have to use ChatGPT because I cannot remember how to get the chat window back up. Docs. Where's the docs? Oh, there we go. Chat. There we go. Ooh, like a burning in the midnight. Ooh, who is Latin Jimenez? Are you still with me, Latin? I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Thank you guys so much. Thank you guys so much. You guys are awesome. Thanks for sticking around with me. Okay, Mallory had to get off. Oh, Mallory, you took the long? Did you take the long? Nice. I know you're off here, but if you look at this later, great job, Mallory. Great job. Say I'll love her till I die. Thank you guys so much for sticking around with me. I appreciate it. And all you guys that are giving all the likes and stuff, man, thank you guys so much. Anybody that's new in the chat, make sure give a like and subscribe if you like trading and want to talk about it. Definitely stick around. I just took this little short, and we just had a friend that was in the chat with us took the long. I wanted to take the long because I'm overall bullish, but because I had just gotten out of the trade, I didn't want to jump right back into one. So wish I could see who was in here. So one thing I wish YouTube did on here was show me who was in that time. You know what? I'm gonna have to chat GPT that because there's got to be a way I could see who's in the stream with me. Oh, no, they don't give a list of every viewer by name. You know, current views, live chat, participants, analytics. It's down in the pillow. Yeah, thank you, Mariah. So we are rejecting at that 655 area still. So that fib is pretty tough right now at the moment, and we are overbought on the stochastic, lower than we were the last time we were overbought. And we do have a little bit of bullish divergence at the moment through the stochastic from ear to ear. So kind of some bullish divergence. So that's what I'm seeing right now. So if it pushes up, we could see some really, really good continuation on the long. But the 1 minute's there. The 5 minute isn't there yet. We need to see a really, really good push on this next 5 minute candle for it to continue. I think if we can close above 61 on this, at least on this candle, we could see some continuation. But I would be weary, especially what it's trying to do now. But we still got 2 minutes left. Ooh. Symphonic metal? Hallelujah? Yeah, let's get it. Let's get it, dude. Put that on a cracker. Oh, you know what? I just thought about that. Oh, nice, nice. Welcome in. I don't know who's with me. What do fish say when they bump into? Yeah, damn. Yeah, what do fish say when they bump into a cement wall? Damn. Heck yeah. All right, so we're pulling down in that 2-minute fair value gap. There is a small gap that it tried to get into on the 5-minute. So we still could push up on the 5-minute, but 15-minute, man, we've got wicks both ways at the moment. We got 4 minutes left. I'm kind of stuck because we just took the short, so gonna have to be patient. Gonna have to be patient for sure. Hallelujah. Hallelujah. Who's in the chat with me? We got 3 viewers. I know it's probably Aaron, Mariah, and who else? Is it Tara still? Tara, are you with me or did you go to bed? Man, we've got 2 doji wicks trying to form. Like, we've got the, what is it, the star, the hanging hammer. No. Hanging hammer and inverted hammer right now on the 15 minute. That's crazy. Which one's going to be the play? So let's take a look. We need, if it pulls down, so this is, hey, Lorraine, happy Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thank you. We just took a pretty decent trade, took 200 ticks on this short right here. And then Mallory caught it on the way back up. I am overall bullish, but I'm just going to wait because I just got out of that short. So the 5-minute looks good for the push up if it's going to continue. The 15-minute is kind of crazy right now for me. So oh, actually, Aaron, it's just me, you, and Lorraine because I forgot. I'm watching myself on my phone. Had to give myself that other viewer. I wonder if we can share this. Cutting the crew died in your arms tonight. Ooh. I just died in your arms tonight. It must have been something you said. Just died in your arms tonight. Yeah, the 15 minutes going to give us a wick on top and bottom. So the last two candles. I'm kind of confused on what's going on right now on the 15. 30 minute probably looks like a spinning top. Yep, it is. So we swept the bottom, but we did not sweep the top. So, and we closed inside the range. So if it's a CRT play, the upside could be really good on the 30 minute. For a continuation up, if it's a CRT play. I'm not sold on CRT stuff, so because I haven't looked into it much, but it would be good for the continuation. Like I like it for the continuation. So I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. You know, take a short in gold. Let's take a look at it real quick. Let's take a look. Careful, Aaron. There is a gap still at 72.8. Still got a little bit of an Eddie Murphy there, so just be aware. Just be aware. But the 5 minute looks really good for the continuation short. If it can definitely close into this body, I really, really like this short. Did we close that gap? I think it's reaching for that gap. I think it's reaching up there for that. It might not get to it. Well, I think it's, if it doesn't close this gap here right now, I think it's going to come up here, grab this gap, and then come back down. Leave a little bit more. Okay, so it left a little of a gap. Come on, don't close it. Okay. Your short might go. It might leave this gap alone and come back and get it later. Just tired of sitting here doing nothing. I like the short. The short looks good. You know me, I just look at, I can catch those price gaps like that, and those worry me because those, they like to try to come back and get them for sure. So, but yeah, I like the short on gold for sure. I just, No worries, Mariah. I appreciate you. Thank you so much. Yeah, I know you guys have busy lives, so don't you know, if you can, and if you can't, it's not a big deal. No, but yeah, Aaron, I still like the short. I like the short. Um, the short does look good for sure on gold. Well, let's take a look, see what the 15-minute is doing. Because we've got a lot of real estate to really try and make up. I wonder if this could come down to 57, Aaron. That looks to be about 50% of this move here. Of course, it's in a channel too. So, yeah, gold is in a channel on the downwards push. Man, I like it from the bottom better. Maybe about you, baby, but you're still in my lonely mind. About you, baby, and think about you all the time. Yeah. Yeah, gold is crazy, but when it does decide to go, my gosh, that thing can make or break you. That's why I kind of stepped away from it, because I loved trading gold. It was so much fun to trade, but my gosh, it was it wouldn't be good for the style that I'm trading now. If that makes sense. It would drive me crazy. But I like the way that 69.2 is holding. That is so we bounced off of it here. Oh, we blew through the order block right there too. So, oh, good short, bud. Good short. Come on, let's get some continuation. Give him a new low right here. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on, let's get that hook right here on the stochastic. It'd be so gorgeous. Think about you, baby, and dream about you all the time, baby. And we got the cross of the 50 and the 200 on the 1 minute. Oh, it'd be nice for him to get. Did you take it? Did you take it? Did you take profit, Aaron? Sorry, my mind is like going back and forth. But it won't take away my Oh, looks like we're trying to get the pump on the ES. Nice. So, Mariah, I don't know if you're in here watching still, but I'm going to show you. So, oh, excuse me. I got you, Aaron. So, on the, was it the 5 minute? Yeah, it's the 5. No, yeah, 5 minute. On the fib on the 5 minute is why I'm looking bullish. We came back, tested the 50%, rejected, pushed up, and then we kind of had a double move here. We pulled back down, got overbought or oversold, and then now we're pushing up. But the problem is we're overbought again on the Stokes. So if we can't break 65 here and push up and break this high on NQ, we could see a failure here. It needs to come back. If it's going to come back, it needs to hold at 640. All right, so we're pushing 655 here. So we need to break and we need to pump if we're gonna continue the upwards. Took off half. Good job. Good job. Come on, if this is gonna pump for the continuation up, it's got to do it now. It's a good close. If it's going to test 55, it's got to reject hard and push. Come on. Come on. Oh Lord. All my life. Feel it coming in the air tonight. Good thing is, I think we've got room to keep going top side. But we're going to have to push if this 1 hour candle is going to continue. There we go. Ooh, not in the hand. There we go. I've seen your face before, my friend. But I don't know if you know who I am. Well, I was there, and I saw what you did. Heck yeah. Way to go, Aaron. Too nice. So you can wipe off that grin. I know where you've been. Oh man, I'm starting to get hungry and tired. Trade half minis on gold. Yeah, I don't blame you there. I don't blame you there. Hey, welcome in, welcome in. I don't know who just joined in, but thank you for joining in. Throw me a comment, throw me a like, throw me a comment so I can see who's in here with me. Because for some reason YouTube doesn't show me who's in here. Yeah. For all my life. If you're new and just stopping by, ask a question. If you're a trader, feel free to chime in. Let's see if it pumps. I hope it does for you, man. I really do. I hope it pumps up for you. I think I'm fixing to hop off here and get some food and get to bed myself. But I appreciate all you guys for sticking around and hanging around with me. Hopefully I'm going to try to start doing this more and more, and hopefully me and Tara can get pushed out there too. I think next week I'm really going to hit it hard with Tara, and we'll be in the Discord and all that. So. Oh man, we got some more people joining in. Throw me a comment so I can see who it is. If you're new, throw me a comment and a like. I don't know yet, and I don't know what's for supper yet. So for this moment, I think there's a delay. On the comments and what you guys are seeing. Let's see. I hope it's not like 30 seconds, but that's what it seems like it is. Oh, man, if we double top here and if we break back below 55, it's gonna make me want to short again. I'm not doing it though. I've already taken one trade tonight. What's the 5 minute looking like? 5 minutes looking really good for the short too. Golly. I'm not gonna do it. I took 50 points tonight. I'm setting up my chart right now with the levels. Heck yeah, way to go, girl. Hey, we got 6 viewers in. What's up, guys? If I keep getting some viewers and if you guys are new, I'll stick around a little bit longer for sure. If you're new, throw a comment in the chat so I can see who's with me. Let's talk about some market stuff. I've got some good friends that are watching with me right now too, so. But yeah, throw me a comment so I can see who's trading, or I mean not who's trading, but who's in the chat with me right now. If you're sticking around. We're only down to. Are we down to 3? Yeah, I'm glad I didn't go short. And I saw Dorley is me. 10-4, 10-4. Hey, it's 10-4. What's up? Oh, heck yeah. Thank you for stopping by, man. If that's who I think it is it 10-4 from the Discord? Because hey, we got 7 people watching right now. Heck yeah, I'll stick around. So we got about 4 minutes, and then we're gonna start hitting that macro area that Incognito likes. So, so it is you. Nice. Okay. Awesome. Thank you for stopping by. Yeah. Thank you so much. Make sure you throw me a like and a subscribe. I'd appreciate it. If you're not subbed to me already. I know most of my Discord people are usually subbed to me already, so I appreciate it. Visions of freedom. Still remains. Yeah, thank you, 10-4. Appreciate it, bud. Thank you so much. Which one is which? What you got there? Well, at least we got you setting. Now you know how to put the lines up there. That's like the big thing. So, and really, you know, kind of does, and it doesn't matter. You know, if you know what they are, like you just know that you want to see a reaction at it. You know, you want to see something happen at whatever line that you're looking at on the same, you know, line in the on your chart. So. Man, sing it, dude. So we did break the high a little bit. We didn't get a good close above it, so but it looks like the stoke is like really trying to dump. So we could be just caught in a little bit of a chop range. It's a big range at the moment, like this area right here. So we'll see. We'll see. I'll hang around a bit more. 10-4, did you see the trade that I got to take today? I don't know. I didn't know if you were in the Discord or not. Man, I caught a monster trade today. I almost caught almost the full dump at the open. It was pretty close to the full dump. You guys are gonna get tired of me talking about it. Yeah, this was the trade. Thank you. We've been gold short. My arm is set on TP. And it's set for, since I have a safety net, so it's nice hanging out. Thank you. Hey, Aaron, thank you so much. Have a good night. Get some sleep. I think I'm fixing to hop off here myself. I appreciate all you guys that stopped in to say hi and give me some likes. Thank you guys so much. I appreciate it. You have no idea how much I appreciate it. Yeah, I thank you so much. I'm gonna try to start doing this more, and but I'm gonna call it a night for now because I'm gonna try to get some food. Waiting on my wife to get home. She had to work late again tonight, so I do want to check out gold. Man, I hope you get that. Yeah, I hope your short plays out, Aaron. But thank you guys so much. Catch you hopefully tomorrow night if you guys are bored. I might jump into Discord if Tara's available, and we can do our little trading show together. But again, love you guys. Thank you so much for all the likes, and make sure you trade safe. And if you're green, you guys know what to do. Stay green, baby. We'll talk to y'all tomorrow.